Okay, I think we're good. All right. Natalia, I'm so excited to talk with you about your earrings for the Crochet Along. Yay! So thank you so much for agreeing to meet with me today so that you can tell us all about yourself and your earrings. So first, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm just some regular crochet enthusiast. I don't know, I guess I can't help myself. I've been like this since I was a kid. I have lots of hobbies, but crochet is my favorite.
Oh, I love that.
So, and I guess everybody has to suffer. So my husband has to put up with it, but he's always encouraging. Buys me yarn.
Wonderful. That's a good guy.
Sometimes for me, I have to ask him. Sometimes his choices are better.
Nice. That's awesome.
And I'm lucky that all our girls, we have 4, love all yarny things.
Yes, that's awesome.
Well, baby, I don't know, but she doesn't mind. She can't say no. She's still little.
That's right. She doesn't have a choice yet.
Yeah, big ones already expressed the wish to learn, started. We'll see how it goes.
Great. That's great. How old is your oldest?
Oldest 9,
9.
Okay. 7, 3, and almost tomorrow 11 months old.
Oh my goodness. Wow, you're busy because you're crocheting. You're putting out designs all the time. I see your tester calls all over the place. And you're doing earrings and taking care of 4 girls. Wow.
Earrings are the best because they don't require much time.
I know.
And I don't
love
have much
that.
time. I have time for this. Nap time, baby nap time, and you get a pair of earrings.
Isn't that the best? I love that. It's something that you can complete quickly as a crocheter, but also as a designer. Like when we do sweater patterns or something, it's like weeks and months of effort.
Yep.
But an earring, you could whip out a design in an afternoon.
Yes.
That's great. Tell us how you got into crochet.
Well, I guess it's a family thing because both my grandmas did. They both crocheted, knitted, all sorts of embroidery and sewing, whatever, many things. And they tried to teach me everything, but I guess crochet clicked the most. I tried it all. Sewing was the biggest disaster, but
oh no.
Yeah, but knitting is kind of okay, but crochet just clicked.
That's awesome. Yep, I feel the same. My family is big into all of the crafts too, and my mom is actually good at all of the crafts, but I stick with crochet. How would you describe your design style?
Oh, although I have some man things like hats and scarves, only things that I like making are kind of girly and flowery, lacy. This is just fun. Yeah. And maybe because it's usually hot here, so thread, crochet, and lacy shawls are the thing. Yes. But yes, for winter, I do hats and scarves, just warm things.
Yeah. Yes, I have noticed that your shawls and wraps are very lacy. I made one of the first projects I made from a Happily Hooked magazine was one of your I think it was a wrap, and the way it was constructed was so unusual because you had us like go back and forth and then start on the body of it.
Like a mirrored one? Oh, yes.
And
I'm
I
in the
was
process
so
of
impressed.
renewing it a little bit and making a little bit of adjustments to this wrap.
Oh, that's so fun. But I was so impressed. I was like, oh, how did she come up with that? So that's so cool. let's see, what inspires your designs?
I could say mostly nature, especially for things like this, and all these shawls and wraps, and a lot of ideas that are still yet to come.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know. I have ideas and sketches, but not enough time.
That's how it always is.
Sometimes what inspires me is because kids grow out of their heads or something else. I don't write patterns for everything I make because it takes too much time.
It does, yeah. But that's so great that necessity inspires us too.
Yes,
yeah.
Necessity inspires a lot.
That's great. So tell us about your framed blooms design for the Crochet Along.
Well, yes, I guess this is classic for me, maybe not very new thing, because it's again flowers, but these were like mostly fall. But what inspired me is those dried flowers where you put them, you collect flowers, you go somewhere and collect some spring and summer delicate flowers like in the field or in the park. Yeah. And then you put them in a notebook and press them, and then in the fall you find them there and they're flat like this.
Yes. Oh, that's
still
amazing.
have their colors.
I love that. Yeah. Oh, so that's a great inspiration. I love that. Tell us about your stitch that you're focusing on with this design.
Well, since these are flowers, the easiest way, what I thought for me to make the petals was just to get a cluster stitch. This is double crochet cluster stitch. The easiest way to make separate petals. So if somebody never done it or just wants to practice or has it as a favorite stitch, that's the thing to make.
Yes, it's one of my favorites. I really like it. And I have to say that my favorite thing about this earring is the frame, the last row, the way that it just like pulls everything together and leaves such a nice finished edge. I'm totally using that in the future. Your stitch
this
combo.
Was supposed to be framed blooms. First I made it regular, then like, no, it needs to be a little bit fancier, but very, very easy.
Yes, so easy and a very impressive finish. So I thought it was great. Good job. Let's see. Oh, if people love this pattern from you, what other patterns of yours will they love?
For this, I don't have.
Oh, we lost volume. How do I get it back? I think I can undo it. I can't. It won't let me unmute you. Can you unmute? Oh, there you go. Okay.
Did I get muted or something?
I don't know how that happened. Oh, well.
Yes. I don't have any jewelry designs with this particular cluster stitch, but I have other designs that I use it a lot, actually.
Yeah.
But for jewelry, I have well, all of them. All my earrings are flowers, actually. Yes. I just realized they're all flowers. Some sort of flowers or petals. And in this book, there is a link to a pattern, bloom earrings, and there was a longer dangly ones, earring and necklace pattern that I usually wear as a wrap bracelet.
Oh, fun. I like that.
I usually don't wear it around my neck because we have somebody who pulls it over.
Yes, babies like to pull on things. Yeah, I agree. I think that all of your earring, and I think you even have one earring bracelet design that's kind of leaf-ish.
earring
Okay.
and bracelet. Yes, it's called, again, petals. If you
Okay.
make it green, it will be leaves.
There you go. But I thought they all kind of have like a similar theme, shape, but using different stitches and different ways of putting them together. And I thought, oh, these are, people will like these. If you like these delicate,
Yes, and the one
dainty
that you
earrings.
see, they're like in motifs.
Mhm,
They're along the ones that are linked in the book, and
mhm.
there's another one that have 3 flowers, but you can make as long as you want.
Mhm.
Those are all without connecting pieces. They're all made in one piece.
Oh, nice.
They're all made in one piece. Only one time cutting.
I love that. Less to weave in. Perfect. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Natalia, for meeting with us and telling us about your design and yourself, and we really appreciate it. So for those of you who haven't got your Fall Plenty crochet earring ebook yet, make sure you grab that because we are starting with Natalia's design, the framed blooms earrings, which you are gonna love. And we also have in the ebook designs from Ruthie Smith, from Priscilla Allen, Ashley Moran, Sarah Korth, and me, Amber Bliss Calderon, and we will see you all in the crochet along. Thanks, Natalia. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you for having me.
Yay!
Bye.